Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set a default view in Clickup. Setting a default view helps you and your team land on the right layout every time you open a space, folder, or list. So yeah, it saves time and keeps things consistent. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and tasks are available. Now, navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want to set a default view. At the top of the task area, you'll see different views like list, board, calendar, table, or Gantt. Click on the view you want to use as your default. This is the view that should open automatically whenever someone accesses this location. Once you're inside the correct view, look for the View Options or three-dot menu next to the view name. Click on it, and you'll see an option to set as Default View. Click that option and, ClickUp will immediately save it as the default for that space, folder, or list. From now on, every time you or your teammates open this location, ClickUp will load this default view automatically. This is especially useful for teams that prefer working in board view, table view, or calendar view instead of the standard list view. Another helpful tip is that default views can be different at each level. For example, a space can have one default view, while a specific folder or list inside it can have a different one. This gives you flexibility to customize workflows without affecting everything else. If you ever want to change the default view, just switch to a different view and set that one as default using the same steps. You can update it anytime as your workflow evolves. No problem at all. Also, keep in mind that permissions matter. Only users with the right access can change default views for shared spaces or lists. If you don't see the option, it may be due to permission restrictions, and that's it. Setting a default view in ClickUp is quick, simple, and a great way to improve team efficiency and consistency. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next